everyone, welcome to more of a session. So it's a 30-minute workout, all body exercise today. My inspiration today is from Joe Wicks. Got my Christmas jumper, I'm ready to go. Hope you're having a good day and a good week. So let's get started. So find some space, make sure you got enough room. Don't need any equipment today, so we're going straight into warmed up. So walk on the spot, jog on the spot. Okay, let's rotate arms. Both ways, so we go backwards as well. Loosen up. Been by the desk all week. Okay, rotate onto the side. So it's been a busy week this week. It's been a wellbeing week. Don't know if you've seen all over social media. We've launched a new wellbeing hub. Loads of resources and information for staff and learners as well. Okay, let's go opposite hand to toe. Okay, back to rotate arms. Jump in on the spot. Okay, so we've got one circuit. We're going to do it twice through 15 stations. Okay, so 15 movements. We're going to do them twice, and that'll take us to 30 minutes. Nice and easy. First one, back lunge. Stepping back, keeping our back and core strong. Kick through, punch through with the leg. Okay, so back lunge, kick through. So it's going to be a minute work, then 30 seconds off before we go again. Are we ready? So first 30 seconds in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So slow it down if you have to, go at your pace, it's your workout. So keep going. Okay, switch legs. This playlist today is from my active ambassador, Harriet. So thank you for the Christmas tunes. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, shake your legs if you have to. Good work. Take a drink on if you need it. Who's ready for Christmas? I'm ready for a Christmas break. Okay, so the next one, we're just going to jog on the spot. You can do high knees if you want to, or you can kick your heels to your bum if you have to as well. It's totally up to you, okay? As long as you keep moving, that's all good, okay. Then 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Use your arms as well. Keep going. You can go around in circles if you want. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Good job. Okay, next one. We're going to go into squats. So all the way down. Keeping our backs nice and straight. Core strong. Turning our pointy toes outwards. Make it easier. If you're feeling strong, you can go for a jump. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jump around in a circle. Okay, last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, nice one. Next up, we're going to go crunches. So on my back, I'm going to go crunch up, bring my opposite knee. Okay, you can slow it down, go at your pace, get your workout. And ready. In 10 seconds, make sure you have a breather as well. Take some deep breaths in and out. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and crunch. This is too tough, just up and down from here. Go to the core as well. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job. Okay, next one is the plank. We all know this one by one. I'm sure it's in every session. So you can either start from press-up position, and you can go up and down the elbows. It's totally up to you. As long as you keep your straight back, keep your core tight, make sure everything's tense. You keep that strong alignment. Okay, so go down on your knees if you have to as well, and elbows. The easy version. You ready in 5, 3, 2, 1, and go. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And relax, well done. Great song. Okay, this one. Back to sit-ups. For this time we're going to go lift the body and one leg as well. A straight leg. So alternate legs. Okay, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, if you're struggling with this, just do from here, alternate legs from here. Okay, last 10. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Good job. Okay, this one, back on our feet. Have a drink, have a breather, deep breaths in, and breathe out as well. Into your nose, exhale through your mouth. Okay, next one we're going to do skater lunges. So back lunge into skater. It's a back lunge, but your back leg goes all the way past, out to the side. Like you're skating. Okay, you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and skate. So keep going. If you're feeling strong, you can speed it up. If you have to, slow it down. Okay, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest up. Good job. Okay, next one. Gonna go into squats again. So all the way down, as low as you can. You can do wider stance if you want, so more like sumo squats. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and squat. Good job, last 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Shake your legs out if you have to. Take a drink on. Okay, we're going to go into burpees. So all the way down to the floor. Step back up. Flat above the head. So we won't make it jumping today, so we'll just do step up, step downs. Into pressing position, hands off the floor, step back up, clap. Remember to alternate your legs as well. Okay, are we ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Dance to the song. Woo. Keep moving. So last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay, next one. We're going to do mountain climbers. So down to the floor. We're going to bring our knees up to our chest. Alternate, go as fast or as slow as you can. Don't have to jump, just walk it through. Okay, take a breather first. 10 seconds rest. Ready? We go again in 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Keep going. If you can, speed it up if you want to. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Whew. Anyone else getting warm? I am warm. Oh, Christina's just joined us. Christina! Come in. It's another ambassador coming for moral support. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's lunge. Shuffle. Lunge. Nice. Remember to shake your legs out as well in between. Keep going. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job everyone. Round 1 done. So we'll just do it all again. For this time will be less time, okay? So we'll do 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Second round, we work our way through quickly, and then we're done. Done for the day. I'm getting a turkey sandwich today from the restaurant in Ffitrwydd. I cannot wait. I had Christmas lunch there last week. Beautiful work by the catering team. Love it. Definitely made me feel Christmassy afterwards. And then, so back to the first one. So we did do back lunge, but we just done lunge. So we'll skip that one. We'll do sprints on the spots. Okay. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go high knees, okay, high knees. Remember, we're only working out 30 seconds. And we get a rest. Keep going. Push it through, last 10 seconds. Use those rounds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Woo. Okay, next up, we have got squats. Okay, so remember, straight back. Point your toes outwards to help you. Squeeze your bum cheeks together on the way up. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Go as slow or fast as you want. Add the jump as well. If you're feeling confident. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job everyone. Next one, crunches. Okay. So from here, alternate knees, remember? Bring your elbow to a knee, alternate legs. Okay. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Last 10. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done, good job. Right, next one, the plank. So you can do it on your knees, or you can do it from pressed position. Hold this position. Working our core. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's plank. Come on, Christina, I know you love a plank. Join in. Come on. Shows you don't have to wear sports clothes to get some exercise in the day. Christina's just come from class. She's on a break. She's getting some exercising. Okay, last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Well done. Okay, next up, we have got skating. Okay, so back lunges, where we skate, so out to the side. It's up to you to do this one, isn't it? Getting involved? Yeah, see how far we can stretch the leather leggings. Okay, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, and skate. We need to go the same way. There we go. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job, everyone. Okay, next one, squats. Okay, back into squats. So feet outwards, remember, straight back, strong core, go as far down as you can. Okay, ready, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. To the ground. The lower sense of ground, isn't it? Last 10. Push it through. Last few moves now. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay. Shall we do a boxing one to finish off? I reckon we will. Okay. So, special ones finished. Last move of today, okay? I've cut it shorter because we worked hard. It's Christmas, I'm feeling generous. You can always come back and do some more. Watch the videos again so you've got the movements. Okay, so punch. Punch forward, so punch, punch, hook, hook, and kick, okay? 5 movements. Ready, Christina? I think so. So, punch, punch, hook, hook, and kick. Nice. Okay, ready? Doing this for a minute, okay, to finish off. Whole minute, you've got this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Punch, punch, hook, hook, kick. Yeah, nice. Move around as well. Pretend you're boxing someone. Macarena. Boxing style. For today. Right, big drink. Keep warm now as well. I know you're feeling hot. Make sure you've got a jacket on. It's cold outside. Let's have a little stretch to finish off. Strong stretch. It's always important to stretch at the end of a session. Let our heart rate go down. Okay, back to windmills like we did in the beginning. So as I was saying, there's Wellbeing Week this week, so make sure you tune in, check out what's on the Wellbeing Hub. It's all for you guys, learners and staff. Have a look what's on there, give us feedback, follow us on social media so you know what's going on. learners, so anyone who wants one, are given a free Period Dignity bag this week. So it's got all kinds of stuff in there. Period products, a nice tote bag. Who doesn't want one of these? They are so cool. Okay, all branded up, designed and delivered by our active ambassadors. Been working hard, putting all this together. So yeah, please support if you can. Find more videos as well on YouTube, GLLMRygbi, and I'll see you next week for the Christmas special. Okay, until then, see you later.